Hey y'all! So today we're going to do this very simple, very quick eye makeup tutorial for fall, very fall inspired, but with a little bit of pizzazz. I like the little glitter on top. Although it usually is pretty warm all fall here in Texas, I still love fall tones, fall inspired makeup looks, and pumpkin spice lattes. So yeah, so I love fall. I just can't help myself. I'm that kind of, basic. So, but yeah, I hope you guys like this tutorial. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe, and let's get started. Okay, so today we're going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette for the eye makeup. I obviously already did my face, so this is just going to be an eye tutorial. Start with this color first as a transition on a big fluffy brush, and we're just going to start it in the crease. Really light motions. Okay, and switching gears, I'm sorry, we're going to go ahead and do a voiceover for this tutorial. I just stopped talking. I don't know. I don't know what I was thinking, but we're going to go into this kind of a creamsicle mustard color in the Jaclyn Hill palette. Go ahead and blow that out all over your lid. I start with a fluffy brush, still the same brush we used earlier, and just apply that really lightly in the crease. Continue to work it and blend, just blend your little heart out. And don't worry about being precise with this particular application. Get it on your lid because you're going to go in with the shader brush that I have here, and we're going to actually start packing that color on the lid all the way across. So you don't have to worry about being like super perfect or super precise, which is something I really like about this particular look. It's really simple, especially if you're just kind of getting into eyeshadows. So I'm going to take a little bit more of a smaller fluffy brush and just going to deepen up the outer corner and a little bit more of the crease, just to add a little bit more definition and shape to your eye. I think this really helps instead of it being just flat. It kind of adds a little bit of depth. Then I'm going to go in with this Super Shock shadow in Birthday Girl and apply it to the lid just for a little bit of extra shimmer and glitter, just to pop it on. I will say I prefer the Super Shock shadow color in Fluffy for this particular look, which is what I've used before, and I should have used that in the tutorial, but I just grabbed this one for some reason. It's still pretty, but I like the other one a little bit better. So I really want to smoke out the lower lash line for this look. So I'm going to start with that first shadow, the kind of more mustard color one, and really just kind of go crazy and apply it under the lash line a few times. Sorry for the forever eyeshadow face. It's so embarrassing, but I can't do my lower lash line without making this weird face. Then I'm just gonna pop in that, go back into these two darker colors. I'm gonna mix them together and apply that just more to the outer corner, kind of connecting that deeper shade that we have in the outer corner on top of the lid to the lower lash line, just kind of adding a little bit more depth. And I'm going to take that highlight color and just apply it to the inner corner. Nothing different here. You cannot skip an inner corner highlight. I can't skip an inner corner highlight. I think it just adds so much to the look. Okay, and that is it for this really easy fall eye makeup tutorial. Basically just a blown out kind of a mustard color. I actually did this eye makeup look twice over the summer, and I really liked the way it looked, and I thought, okay, I have to pull that out for fall, and I figured why not kick off fall tutorials with this particular eye makeup look. Very easy to achieve and simple, honestly. So yeah, hope you guys liked it, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!